Hello, 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 hello. It is November the 22nd, 2021, Monday. It is 34 degrees, and oh my gosh, was so windy last night that it blew some of our lilac leaves off, and you can see the reflections of the leaves today, and yes, it is, woo, blew my shirt up. Yeah, my little shirt that I'm wearing, the lounger shirt, but yeah, it is windy out today. Got the sun shining along the drive. Got some oak. See all the leaves and the clouds, and gonna have some leaves blowing in the neighborhood today. But yeah, it is beautiful day, and it is cloudy today, and the high is supposed to be 74 today. But yeah, it is very, very beautiful day in the neighborhood and whatnot. But yeah, I just thought I would come on and say hi to everybody, and as you can see, the wind and everything. So I'm going to go back in the house and whatnot, and I will see everybody later. Bye-bye. It is cold, very cold. Got a truck there. But yeah, it is very, very cold, and you can see the roof and the chimney there.